Hey, how's it going? This is Ray with CollegeKid.com here to report Fetty Wap being rushed to the hospital after a motorcycle accident. Fetty Wap was seriously injured Saturday afternoon in a motorcycle accident in his hometown of Paterson, New Jersey. TMZ reports an eyewitness said Fetty Wap was trying to pass a vehicle and collided with another vehicle that came from an opposite direction. The Trap Queen rapper, who appeared to be responsive, was loaded onto a stretcher and transported to the hospital in an ambulance. Fetty Wap recently dropped a self-titled album that dropped yesterday on September 25th. Story developing.